A lot of the sellers right now, again, they're still thinking na yung bahay, yung presyo ng bahay nila was, 5 years or 3 years ago's market,
Yeah,
right? It has changed. It
yeah,
has
and
changed.
very importante talaga, they need to hire the right agent.
Yes.
I mean, not all realtors are created equal.
Mm-mm.
May mga realtors na tingnan po ninyo ang mga reviews nila at saka yung production nila.
Mm-mm.
Kasi may mga realtors na 2, 4 na bahay lang magbenta sa isang taon.
Oo.
Kailangan, talagang bihasa.
Biyasan. Ito pa naman, tawag ko sa kanya, listing queen eh. Di ba?
Bihasa kasi
Oo.
maraming experience at saka
Maraming activities.
alam nilang kung paano mag-maneuver sa market na ganito.
Oo.
Especially kasi maraming mga, of course, agents na hindi pa masyado eksperyensado, di ba?
Oo.
Kailangan magaling mag-put ng deal together yan.
Correct,
How do
correct.
you put it
Correct.
together?
Correct.